Stop gambling with your cold chain. Every day, logistics professionals across Europe face the same nightmare, finding reliable refrigerated transport when temperature and timing matter most. That's where our platform changes everything. We connect refrigerated carriers and shippers across Europe on one powerful network. Whether you need partial loads or full truckloads, from the UK to the Balkans, we've got you covered. Carriers get direct access to available loads along their routes. Shippers find trusted capacity instantly. No more endless phone calls, no more broken cold chains, no more empty miles. Just reliable, temperature-controlled delivery for your food, pharmaceuticals and sensitive goods. Refrigerated transport made simple, efficient, and connected across Europe.